Hi, welcome back to 123 Dream It channel. For today's video, you'll learn 2 different ways of shearing with your sewing machine. Remember that you can watch more videos like this one in our section Sewing Basics. You can find the link in the box down below. You'll need thread, universal needle. We recommend using the Schmetz ones, standard foot, and fabric. The first technique is known as adjustable manual shearing. Select the straight stitch in the maximum length that the machine has loosened the tension of your machine. And let's start sewing. Without finishing the stitch, sew straight to 1.5 of the edge. When finishing, don't top off the stitch and leave 6 inches of free thread. Now pull the thread and you'll see how the fabric starts to shear. You'll have to adjust it as much as you want it to be. The shearing has to be uniform. It can be used on skirts, dresses, or crafts. The second technique is known as static shearing. This technique requires more practice, because you have to handle the fabric while sewing. Try to make the folds as equal as you can. Remember, the more you practice, the easiest will be. In this technique, you have to shear the fabric since the beginning to the end. This shearing is more common for some kind of fabrics like tulle, to make the typical ballet outfits. And that's all. Now you learned 2 new ways of shearing. Thank you for watching today's video, and we will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to visit our website 123dreamit.com.